Rachel, go down the 5-foot long thing. I know. It's not. Just go. Go, Rachel, go. Go, Rachel. Oh my gosh. Go, Ray, go.
Come on. Hey everybody, watch this.
Woo! Now Ray, come here. How was that experience?
Extreme.
Really?
No. Kind of boring.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Ow, my thumb is stuck. I can't move it up. No, it's just stuck. I can't lift it up.
This is my Doy sister.
Shut up.
Mary, go down the slide.
Don't